Good morning everyone. This is Shailja Reddy, working as Assistant Professor in English Department in St. Peter's Engineering College. Today I am going to teach you about writing skills. Okay, in writing skills you are going to learn about letter writing. As students you have written many letters in your schooling. So you may have written letters to take permission, letters to take leave, or letters to give some excuses about your homework, etc. etc. So today let us quickly give a recap of what you have learned in your schooling and what kind of letters are there in your engineering. So if I ask you a question called what are the types of letters, letter writing, you say that formal and informal letter. But in formal letter you have different types of letter writing like blocked and unblocked letter writing, and when you write letters to different reason, the subject line will change. Okay, so today you are going to learn about blocked letter writing. So let us see the format of letter writing, how does it look and how you have to write. Okay, so let us start with the letter writing, the format of this one. So first you will write the sender's address, like for example okay, this is sender's address. Remember, you will write everything on the left hand side of the paper. Okay, then after sender's address you will write the date, your date, for example let me assume this is 20th of August 2020. So this is date. Yeah, after date you will write receiver's address, to whom you are addressing. So to address. Okay, it's like for example the principal, St. Peter's Engineering College, Kompally. Yeah, this is the receiver's address. Yeah, after this you will write the opening salutation, like for example you are writing a letter, as I told you, you are writing a letter to your principal. So dear madam or sir, this is opening salutation. Yeah, after this you will write the subject line. This is subject. So it may be taking permission for leave. Okay, asking for leave. So this is the subject line. Okay, after this, after the subject line you will write the body of the letter. So remember, here in letter writing you will divide the body of the letter into 3 paragraphs, okay, or 3 different lines. Okay, 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph you will introduce yourself. Okay, first paragraph, like here in the first paragraph, self introduction. This is first para, self introduction, and stating the purpose of the letter. Okay, so here in the first paragraph, the body of the letter, in the first paragraph you will introduce yourself, who you are with your roll number and your class, and then you will state what is the purpose of writing that letter. Okay, in the second paragraph, that is second paragraph, you will explain further details about the letter. Okay, so here in the second paragraph you will state that what is the reason you are writing the letter. Okay, so further details about the letter. Okay, then in the third paragraph you will state, um, so you will restate the reason for writing the letter. Restate the reason restate the reason. Okay, so here your paragraph consists of three. It's like in the first one you will introduce yourself and state the reason why you are writing the letter, and in the second one you will give the further details about the reason, explain in an elaborate way for what you are writing. Okay, and then in the third one you will restate and close with the thanking note. Okay, and the next one will be your signing off, like regards. Okay, regards, your faithfully. XYZ. Okay, so here if you notice, everything has been written on the left hand side of the board. Okay, so in the same way you will write everything on the left hand side of your book. So first one, you are writing sender's address, then date, then receiver address, then this is opening salutation. Okay, then the subject line, then the body of the letter. It depends, this body of the letter depends on the letter which you are writing. Okay, it may consist of three, or it may consist more than that, or in formal letter it's like you will write in brief, you won't write paragraphs and paragraphs there. So it depends, the body of the letter depends on the type of letter you are writing. Okay, then the closing salutation, that is regards, you are faithfully, XYZ, so and so. Okay, so this is about letter writing. So I hope you have understood the letter writing. You will learn about different types of letters here. Okay, so the first type of letter would be letter of, okay, this is the format. Okay, then next I am going to explain different types of letters. Okay, letter of inquiry, letter of complaint, and letter of requisition. These three types of letters I am going to explain to you. So let us look into the letter of complaint. The first type of letter is letter of complaint. So here the format is same for each and every letter. Okay, the formal letter, the format is same. Only some things change over here, like the subject line will change. So here let me take you an example of a letter. Okay, this is a letter of inquiry where you are inquiring about some internship. Okay, you are inquiring about some internship in an organization. So in this letter of inquiry, how you should write a letter, we will see now. So as it is the letter of inquiry. So as I told you, the format will be same. The same format I will take as like K. Chitra, Secunderabad. So this is sender's address. Yeah, then the date. Date. This is date. Then the whom you are addressing, that is receiver's address. So you are inquiring about something. So let me let us take the example of internship in L&T. So let me Mr. So Ashutosh, okay, General Manager, L&T. Okay, This is receiver's address. Okay, so here receiver's address, you are addressing the person whom you are writing about. Then the general after this one will be the opening salutation, like dear sir. Okay, after dear sir, then comes the subject. Okay, subject here is as I told you, it's regarding the internship in L&T. So the subject will be inquiring regarding internship opportunities in L&T Metro. Okay, this is the subject. Okay, so here in different types of letters, the subject will differ. Okay, so here you are writing a letter of inquiry, so the subject will be inquiring about internship in L&T, or inquiring about lab facilities in so and so college, etc., etc. Whatever type of inquiry you want to do, you can use this kind of letter. Then comes the body of the letter. So body of the letter, as I told you, first paragraph will be self-introduction, and purpose of writing the letter. Okay, so here in your first paragraph you will introduce yourself, because L&T is a big project where these people doesn't know you, so you will introduce yourself, your name and your college name, and what is the course you are looking forward. Okay, so you will mention about those things in the first paragraph. Then in the second para, you will give further details. It's like what kind of course you want to join, or you are looking forward. Okay, what are the opportunities you want, what is the area you want to work in. You will explain about those things in the second paragraph. And in the third paragraph, you will also ask him to give, because you are going for internship, it's like it will be for a certain duration. So you will mention your dates, which period you want to do your internship in his organization. So you will state those things here, and what is the duration you want to do the course, and what are your flexible timings, and so details you will state here, and you will restate the reason for writing that one. So your timelines and follow up. Okay, so here you in this paragraph, in this third paragraph, you will tell him about your timings and the dates. Okay, and you are expecting a positive response from the other side. That means you are expecting to from that side to follow up your letter, your inquiry, and let you know the further information. Okay, and then you will sign off like regards. Okay, regards, your faithfully XYZ. Okay, so if you notice, I didn't use any commas here in the format of the letter. I didn't use any punctuation marks in the format of the letter, but I can use the punctuation marks in the body of the letter. Okay, so here this letter of inquiry, where you are writing the writing the format of this letter is where you are writing everything on the left hand side of the sheet. First you will write sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then salutation, then body of the letter divided into 3, and you are signing off with regards. Okay, so this is the letter format for letter of enquiry. Okay, the other two types of letter I will explain you in my next class. Thank you.